Hello Klein family. Today I'm going to show you how to bookmark things. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up a browser and then type in Google, okay? So no matter if you're using Safari or Silk browser, whatever it may be, go ahead and open it and then type in google.com, not Google, but Google. And then this is where you need to sign in. All right, so first of all, you guys need to know that you can sign in using your student account. If you don't know what your student email is, you can go to Skyward. When you log into Skyward, on the left side there's a menu, and you can choose the profile of your student, and you'll see the email there. Okay, so once you have that, you can go ahead over here. I already have a Google account signed in. You might as well. If you don't, it'll have a different icon versus my picture. But since I'm signed in, I have my picture. If you already have an account and you like to add your student account, click on the picture, go to add account or add another account. And this is where you can put in your student email address. Okay? And then we'll ask you for a password, so you'll continue to go through that and create your account. Alright, once you have done that, then you can add bookmarks. You cannot add bookmarks until you are logged in to Google. So the way you do that is you just go to whichever website you like. So you'll notice up here at the top I have a lot of different bookmarks, but it makes it really easy for me. I want to go to my Schoology, I can just click on it right here. I don't have to go through a bunch of different steps. I want to go to my Skyward, I click here. Okay, so what you first want to do if you're trying to create one is go to the website that you'd like to go to. So let's do Dashboard. Dashboard is a really good one for you to bookmark. So we'll do Klein Student Net. All right, here's my here's my Student Net. It's going to open up. And if I scroll down, I'm going to be able to see Dashboard. So I click on Dashboard. All right, from here, remember if you haven't signed in before, it's going to ask you to put your username and password, which is S, and your student number. Once you've done that, then you can create a bookmark. So how I do that is so awesomely simple. You're going to love it. Up here, where you can type in information, you'll see a star. All you do is click that star, and it will ask you to name it. This says Klein ISD Dashboard, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave that. That's perfectly written. I'm going to push Done, and now you'll notice that the star is blue, so that means that it is bookmarked. Alright, now I already have a bunch of bookmarks. If you do too, then you'll have this little arrows, these two little arrows off to the right. You want to click that, and these are all the extra ones, okay, all the other ones that we have. So at the very end is going to be the latest one you bookmarked. So I'm going to grab that, and I'm going to left click, keep my left click down, and I'm going to drag it up, and I'm going to put it over here so that I can see it. Alright, I can always get to these bookmarks, but the ones that I use frequently, I want to make sure that they're up here for me to easily get to. Now that it's bookmarked, watch, I'm going to close out. And I'm going to open Google again. So now whenever you open up your browser, up at the top, now you can see, oh yay, Klein ISD Dashboard. Click, boop, and it opens right up to it. Voila, it's like magic. So now you can get to all the different places that you need, like Lexia, Nearpod, Remind, Schoology. All of that is in here with one simple click of a button. Hope this was helpful. Have a lovely day.